In a connected and regulated world, archiving is essential. In a perfect world, archiving all of your email, mobile, and social media would be simple to use, easy to access, and quick to export from one central location. Welcome to the perfect world with Retain Unified Archiving. Retain archives all of your email, social media, instant messaging, mobile communication, and web search data into one central archive. Retain archives Exchange, Office 365, Gmail, and GroupWise, mobile communication data for Android, BlackBerry, and iOS devices, along with social media, instant messaging, and web searches. This archive can be easily accessed, searched, and published from one central location. To show you how Retain gives you a better approach to archiving, let's take a look at how it performs. Let's start by logging in. From this view of the archive, you can see that an administrator can perform many important functions. They can browse messages by mailbox and system, view messages from Exchange, Gmail, social media, and mobile, including Android and BlackBerry. For mobile, Retain archives all SMS, MMS, phone call logs, BBM, and PIN messages. For social media, Retain monitors and archives Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google+, Instagram, Pinterest, Flickr, Vimeo, and YouTube. As we view the email system within Retain, you can see Retain archives all email messages, attachments, appointments, notes, etc. And the folder structure is replicated to the left, so the archive looks like a regular email client. Within Retain, an administrator or other user with granted rights can access the entire archive and can perform the following essential functions. To place legal holds, select the messages, then click Litigation Hold. This ensures they cannot be modified or deleted. You can tag a message by first defining the tags you want to use, then by selecting the messages and clicking the radio button. Choose the desired tag from the drop-down and click OK. These messages are now tagged based on the criteria you set. Tags allow for grouping and are searchable for easy e-discovery. Delete, print, or forward an archived message simply by selecting the message or messages you want and click the appropriate icon. To export, click the desired messages. Input the email recipients for the export. Input the title, subtitle, and comments. Select the output, attachments, and miscellaneous. Then click Export. You will find the export in the Exported Items tab. To view the export set, click on the Save icon. This will save the PDF, from which you can view the summary or individual exported messages. You can restore communications to the live mailbox from the archive by selecting the message or messages. Click Restore. Select the mailbox where the messages will be restored, then click Restore Messages. To perform a simple search, just input the search term, select the criteria, scope, even how to sort the search results, tags if you'd like, miscellaneous items, then click Search. As you can see, all messages, including email, social media, and mobile communication, show up in the search results. This is unique to Retain. Retain is the only archive that will search all messages and display the results from the central archive. For a more complex search, you can specify a subject, body, subject and body, etc., as well as choose other Boolean operators to perform an even more granular search. Plus, Retain features an improved Google-like search. When performing a search with this new search tool, Retain returns instant results of the search term, gives suggestion of search terms, highlights the search term in the results, and displays the total hits for the search, seen here. This new search supports limited regex terms to facilitate finding social security numbers, credit card numbers, and other similar expressions. As you can see from this screen, Retain has other powerful features for administrators. These include accessing reports, granting end-user and admin rights, and searchable audit trails, to name just a few. To access reports, click on Statistics Reporting. In the Statistics server, you can view essential information about your archiving system, including archiving progress, disk usage, CPU usage, and other data to see the health of your archiving server. The reports can be viewed within a dashboard, emailed periodically, or generated and saved in multiple formats, including CSV, Excel, HTML, and PDF. An admin can grant specific rights simply by clicking on the specific user, then selecting Edit User. Click on User Rights, and now you can grant admin or user-level rights. For admins, the rights are global and include audit logs, deletion manager, global tags, litigation holds, manage servers and users and groups, manage workers, schedules, profiles and jobs, publish messages, restore messages, and search all mailboxes. For end users, the rights include View Save Attachments, View Personal Audit Log, Delete Messages in other mailboxes, Delete Personal Messages, Export Messages, and Forward Messages. Retain creates a searchable audit trail of all administrators and users that have permission to search the archive, enabling you to have a record of all activity. To access, click Audit Log, and you can view various items as well as specify a time frame for the audit. Now looking at the Retain Archive Viewer, you can see it allows you to view, search, forward, print, save, and redact exported messages. This viewer is standalone, meaning it can be placed on a CD, DVD, flash drive, or other portable media. Then it can be accessed from any Windows machine. This allows users, like auditors or legal teams, to access the subset of data that has been exported. To redact, simply select the message and view the content. Highlight the specific content for redaction, then select Strikeout. To black out text of the message, highlight the content for redaction, then click Blackout. Additionally, you can export to PDF and PST file formats from the viewer. Retain Unified Archiving provides multi-platform email archiving in addition to social media and mobile communication archiving. The features and functionality of Retain truly gives you a better approach to archiving. For more information about Retain,
Please visit us at www.retainarchiving.com and experience a better approach to archiving.